Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the garage, and welcome back the two newest bikes to the collection already up on stands. That's right, we have both the XR and the single R S1000 up on stands with, well, their tires are off. And some of you guys might ask, why are the tires off on both the brand new motorcycles? The XR has a brand new set of Pirelli SC3, SC2s that have already burned through in about 500 miles. The rear tires toast in the middle. And well, the brand new 2022 BMW S1000 single R, I hit a rock the other day. 250 miles on the clock, and I hit a rock and bent the front rim. So today's a little special treat because I posted a picture up the other day on Instagram and up on YouTube, and a lot of people are like, oh, that sucks. Well, it really doesn't suck. The reason is because I've got the man, Gerry with GP Frame and Wheels, in my backyard, and we're gonna head over to his house today because he's gonna be straightening the wheel on the BMW S1000 single R. And while we're at it, we've got a whole collection of brand new tires. So let's start over here and show you guys. So, you know, these are super soft tires. These are the Pirelli SC3s. The fronts are SC2s. Not horrible for the front, but the rear, we've just chewed up the rear. So we're going to be replacing them with the Michelin Power 5s. These are not the Road 5s. These are what they used to call the Roads. So these are the Power 5s, a little bit harder carcass in the middle, softer on the edge, so we can still get down and jam. But I thought this bike definitely needed the Power 5s. Now, the S1000 single R's tires that came on there are not anything that I'm familiar with and not anything that I've really enjoyed riding on. They are the Sport Mart 2s, I believe, or 3s, the Mark 3s. And they're a little bit harder carcass than I like to ride with personally. So we are finally switching over to the new Michelin Power GPs. These are the direct replacements for the Power RSs. We haven't ever switched from the Power RSs because we couldn't get a 200 tire in the Power GP, but they now offer a Power GP. So we've got a set of Power RSs back there for the last set I could find for the Ducati Street Fighter. And then back there, we've got a new set for the V2. But I wanted to show you guys here. Here's my little boo-boo. It's actually pretty massive. So there was a rock about softball size, a little bit bigger than my fist in the middle of the road. I couldn't avoid it. I hit it straight on, and well, that's what we ended up with. So let's get these things loaded up. Let's get them over to Gerry's over at GP Wheels. Actually, first we've got to head over to some effing motorcycle shop because they're going to be doing all the tire changes. Get the tire off that rim, over to Gerry's, and hopefully be able to show you guys the process of getting a wheel straightened after, well, a pothole, a boulder, running off track, any of those things. I've done them all, and Gerry's helped me out every single time. So let's get over to Gerry's and see how this thing goes. So we are here at Gerry's lair, GP Frame and Wheels, and well, this is the bent wheel of the all-new 2022 BMW S1000R, and well, some of you guys thought this was gonna be a $3,000 price tag, but Gerry has it all fixed up. Now, me and Gerry go back a little ways.
Only a little while.
Only a little ways.
Long time.
The very first time I met you, 2005, in Napa at your house, my
right.
2003.
Still working in a house garage.
The house garage, GSXR 600, I slid it into a curb and there was massive frame damage, and everyone then said this was the man to talk to. And I think you've done 2 of my bikes for frame damage and probably a handful. You did the Sriracha, the Gixxer wheel when I went off track.
Yeah.
5 years ago.
5 years.
And here we are.
And I haven't seen you, I think, yeah, it's been that long for you.
It's been a little while. So
good.
His little secret layer here.
Yeah.
And so frame straightening machine.
Right.
Wheel straightening, just all the little crazy arm.
Digitizer for measuring my motorcycles.
So if you guys are local to the Bay Area or anywhere in Northern California, Gerry's the man for your frames. Anywhere in the U.S., you told me you guys get wheels in the mail all the time.
From all over. In fact, I just sent a set of wheels to Road Atlanta for this weekend's event.
For Moto America.
Yeah.
So if you guys have wheels, bust off the tires, send the wheel. I mean, shipping a wheel isn't very expensive. Get it in a nice little box, ship it over to Gerry. What's the rate to straighten a wheel?
Typically $140, wheel in hand.
Wheel in hand, 140 to $200.
$200. I charge. Take the rotors off, please. If you can't, I'll do anything you can't do. We have no problem with that.
Yeah. So if you can just get him the wheel, he can get it straightened out in a couple days and back to you guys. But thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
Pleasure, Bill.
We've got to get back over to some effing motorcycle shop now to get new tires on this.
More.
But thank you guys so much for sticking around. And thank you for saving me a ton of money.
Outside.
I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Make sure you guys do the normal. Hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, ring the bell notification, and I've linked all of Gerry's information down below. Your Facebook page. You guys have a Facebook and website, so I'm gonna link that all down below. But again, thank you, sir, for saving me
my
a
pleasure.
boat ton of money.
Gotta keep you guys on the road or the track.
And
Okay?
he's the man. So thank you guys, and we'll see you next video.
Right.
Bye, guys.